This right here, my giant paper airplane. I'm just a kid. How did I make it? Well, just so simple. Oh yes, this is hard. So, if you look closely, you can see these lines. That's because each one of those lines is where I glued 4 pieces of paper together. Are where I glued it at. Hey, Gizmo. Gizmo, don't try to ruin it. Oh, yes. Never falls right anyway, whatever. I guess it surprisingly flies. I'll bring this. Okay, so here we are. Yeah. So, just for comparison, I think it's the size of my torso. A bit bigger than my torso, in fact. I'm barefoot. This hurts my feet. Especially since I have a gravel driveway. Oh my god. It goes flimsy due to the humidity. It's already going flimsy. I'm just going to throw it. I swear I hear like a car. Bro. I almost said a bad word. Okay, let me try that again. Sometimes it doesn't fly right. Plus my cat just put a hole in it right there. Because I forgot to close my box for it. That was better. Oh, shoot. Oh, shit. Okay, good. The car did its turn. Oh, that was the best one so far. Anyways, that's everything about it. Okay, well, that's the end. See you guys next video. And make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!